This phone charging station makes a great product to sell. It also makes a wonderful gift or just make it for yourself. I was inspired by similar products I've seen on Etsy and other sites. The interlocking pieces make it fit together perfectly to make it stand, and it has places to store your things. I drew up plans for my version in Adobe Illustrator and imported the vectors into Designer. Here, I assigned bits to route the pockets and cut it out. I experimented with versions that included a roundover on all the edges and different shapes for the clearance pocket for the phone's camera bezel. With the design complete, I went to the shop to prepare my material. I wanted the finished pieces carved on 1/2-inch thick hardwoods, but I ran tests on scrap plywood to make certain my measurements and bit setup worked. I just applied the AccuTrack tape and belted the boards and loaded them straight into the Raven. Then just lock it in, load the bit, and away it goes. It completes all the pockets first, then it proceeds to any routed paths before finishing with the auto-tabbed cutout. Once done, I cut away the tabs and do a quick dry fit to verify everything snaps in snugly. Then it's time for some sanding. It really doesn't take much to get them cleaned up and ready for finishing. Apply stain, oil, paint, or whatever works for you and the material you've selected. I made 2 initially, one out of cherry and the other walnut for my wife and I. They look great and work fantastic. Links to all the supplies and the free Raven project files are below. My version is specific to iPhone and iWatch, but the design is easily modified to accommodate whatever you like. Thanks for watching.